everyone, welcome to FE Trick Videos. We are going to explain some fast and easy tricks here. So, we go with a fantastic tutorial about COVID-19, which if you feel bad and you cough a lot and you don't know about dry coughs, you must install this app, which performs a test on your normal sound and your cough sound, and you must explain your condition of your body with just some tests, and you will understand you have the coronavirus or not. This app has made by University of Cambridge and it's very official app. So let's go. For the first step, you must download the COVID-19 Sounds application from App Store or Google Play for Android devices. Then you must go to the app and just do the test like this and describe the condition of your body with just filling these pages. Now you must record everything which app tell you to say and record your voice for this application. So just do it carefully. Now you will receive a notification from this app every day to check your state, and then it will tell you about your condition of your body after completing the investigation of your body. Nothing else to point, just please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification. Have a good day, see you in the next video.